We're back with a video with a point today. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm actually leaving my job right now. They just fired me for some stupid crap, and I'm gonna explain it all. And I'm gonna just tell y'all how effed up the system is. Like, it is, oh man, these companies are so nasty, it's not even funny. Like, they do the grummiest, nastiest, just most inhumane things, and then they go and throw people under the bus for absolutely nothing. I don't want y'all to just sit here and hear me whine. We're gonna ride the new R6 today, and I'm gonna just explain it, and I'm gonna just like get in the younger generation's head. Like, you do not have to work for these big money BS, stupid, horrible corporations, plants, warehouses. Like, they are such BS. Get them out my face. But let's get into riding and I'll explain. So first and foremost, I've been at this job for 4 years almost. Well, I can't even really say that. It's like 3 years and like 5 months, okay? And I'm just gonna get it directly out of the way. I got fired for attendance. In 3.5 years, I have missed a total of 7 days. 7 days in 3.5 years. And the most wild part about this whole thing, dude, is I know people there. Like, I talk to these people. I have a lot of friends there. I'm not gonna lie. The people I work with, great. The people we work for, absolute scumbags. I honestly, like, I never wish any bad health or anything on people, but I could care less about their financial wealth, any of that crap. I hope their company falls to the ground. I hope they fall to the ground. They are such scummy, nasty people. What, brother? You know what? They fired me 4 hours before work was even over. Yeah, they kept me there for 9 hours, of course, like they do, because they're scummy. About the attendance stuff, I got people there that I talk to on a daily basis, and obviously I know, the managers know, the team leads, the whole nine knows. They have missed quadruple the days I've missed. But because they're nice and sweet to the managers and stuff. Now see me, I'm not a like mean dude or nothing, but if you tell me to do things that other people are getting paid more for, or if you tell me to like just do a bunch of off the wall things that have nothing to do with my job, your job, even the job in general, yeah, I'm gonna question you. You know, the crazy part is I usually still end up doing it, but I'm gonna question you and say, why am I doing this? This is for this person supposed to be doing this, or that person's supposed to be doing this. This guy's getting paid like 3 times as much as me. Why am I about to go do this? Hold on, this part's a little fun. Let's ride a little. I haven't even got to enjoy this R6 yet, but you know what? They fired me, so I'm gonna go ride, lick my balls. In the game, of course, in the game, of course. All my peanut fans will get that. Ooh, the gravel's still a little crazy because it's been raining and been nasty. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. That R6 hit, boy. That R6 be hitting, baby. Ooh, she sounds so good, too. But back to what I was saying. There's so many people that have all them points, missed way more days. There's a dude, no offense, I'm not gonna call names and stuff out, and I like the guy. He's an okay guy. We work 4 days a week, and I'm not sure that he's worked more than 2 days a week in the last 6 months. But he just makes up them beautiful excuses for him. I'm not gonna do that because for one, I don't like lying, and for two, I'm not a bum. Like, if I'm gonna miss for a doctor's appointment, I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna miss for a doctor's appointment. If I gotta go get something done with my car, I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna go get something done with my car. Problem with this job is they don't accept doctor's excuses. And you could literally be on the way to work and all 4 of your tires explode, your car catch on fire, and you tell them that, you send them videos, you send them pictures. By the way, I always sent proof of whatever I was missing for, and it don't matter. They say, okay, and then they just give you all these points, like 2 points for missing 1 day. This is a real scenario right here. This R6 make me feel like just like I'm in Mario or something. Like, I be scooting on this baby. Anywho, I literally went to work 5 a.m. I get there 4:30 like always. I'm always early. I was in the military. I'm always early. These freaking turds. My parents live right beside of me. Their building caught on fire. We thought our house beside of theirs was going to catch on fire. Their house, literally the siding melted off. They lost 2 buildings, a car, 4-wheelers, all the stuff that was in the buildings. just thousands of dollars of tools, equipment, just a bunch of different stuff, right? So I don't even tell nobody that time. I'm like, okay, I gotta get home, I gotta make sure my family's okay, I gotta check on, make sure our house is all good, our animals, all that. I leave, I send him pictures. Everything's burnt down. Siding's melted off. It's 30 feet from my house. He says, okay. And then I come in the next day to get wrote up, put on level 1 probation, because I got 2 points for leaving early. Because it was still like it was around like 7 a.m. Like, are you kidding me? That is what I'm talking about when I say I need all you younger people to really like strive to get your own business, chase your freaking dreams. Like, yeah, I'm out here trying to be a moto vlogger, like a goofball. That's my dream though, and I'm gonna chase it. I'm gonna chase it until I fail, and I'm gonna have to fail hard to really give up on it. Or I'm gonna chase it until something happens, dude. I love riding, like I put everything into it, and that's all I can do. But that's what y'all gotta do. Y'all gotta do that, whether it's content creation, starting your own business, maybe it's working for family, whatever. Even if it is working for a company, if that's what you want, okay, do that. But even then, don't let them take advantage of you, because that is the first thing they will do. And sadly, I didn't even follow my own rule. I would go in there and actually try to do stuff and stay busy like an idiot just for something like this to happen, because I wasn't kissing the ground that the bosses and team leads and stuff walked on. No matter what position you're in these jobs, all these warehouse jobs, I'm saying warehouse because that's what I was in, that's the setting I was in. None of how hard you work or how long you've been there, none of that matters. The only thing that matters is who do you know and who do you blow. And buddy, 90% of the people I work with will tell you that. Because there's only about 6 people that have been there over 10 years and I was making just as much as them. Because guess what? They wasn't best friends or family with the bosses, and they wasn't sucking up to them and doing every single thing that they wanted that they shouldn't be doing. And now I know this is like a completely different video than what I usually make. Mine's usually, I'm trying to be funny, I'm trying to be outgoing, laughing, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little pissed right now. Luckily, the way I was raised and everything, and just my parents and all that, I'm not gonna sit here and go ride stupid and stuff because of this. Like, yeah, I'm mad. That's my only source of income. I have bills. I have a house. I have an electric bill. I have animals. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't have a lot of money saved up. I got like $1,000 saved up. Hope for the best, I guess, right? I'm just gonna push harder on this now. I'm gonna try to find a little part-time job that'll pay the bills, and then we'll go from there. I mean, it is what it is. But I really got fired for the same thing that people have done many more times than me. People I work for, dude, when I tell you they're scummy, they'll tell one person one thing, go to the next person, tell them the opposite. Talk good about somebody to their face, go straight to HR and tell them, hey, I don't know if this guy's performing right. Now listen, I shouldn't be saying this, and I'm not going to say the company name yet, but if y'all want me to be petty enough, I'm going to do it. I don't give a bleep. What I want to say is I know probably a handful, 12 plus. I'm just saying, at least a dozen plus in the 3.5 years I've been there. If an accident happens, whatever, you have to get drug tested, right? Okay, cool, that's fine. Fair across the board. Everybody does it. After a certain dollar amount, if something was injured, or if someone was injured, if a certain dollar amount of product was messed up, anything like that, they have to get drug tested. I know a handful, a dozen or more of people that had an issue, had a problem, had an injury, anything, right? And because the bosses like them, in the nurse's office in our place, they'll literally just say, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna pass a drug test. Buddy, I'll pass 15 drug tests on a Sunday just to make you mad. Woo, that boy in the slingshot. I like it. And I know this ain't fast, fun content for y'all, but man, am I feeling good right now. I'm just ranting. Anyways, they just say, okay, well, we'll let it slide this time. Just please don't let it happen again. I ain't gonna lie, other than people having way worse attendance than me, and I'm out here the one getting terminated, Outside of that, this is the biggest issue. That one that I just said, that's the biggest issue for me. Like, you got people like me, and there's multiple in there too. Great people. And even the ones that do stuff, smoke and whatever, although I don't agree with it, some of them are great workers and great people. But that doesn't give you the right to be able to do things that other people are going to get fired for. You know what I'm saying? I mean, maybe you can agree or disagree. God, dude, it's a bittersweet time because the company feels like it's falling apart. All you do is get cussed out. Not actually like verbally cuss words, but all they're doing is they're always telling you, hey, you got two of this done today. It would have been good if you could have got 3. And then the next day you get 3. It would have been really good if you could have got 4 though. How about you get 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles in your chin and lay on the ground for a little bit. I'm riding fun, but I'm not riding like dangerous, if that makes sense. If you're new to my channel, I am a big advocate for safe riding. I know a lot of people that have sadly passed to this sport. I still never try to steer people away from it. If you think you can do it maturely, you can have fun, but still do it safe, please, by all means, I recommend it. It's given me some of the best experiences, best opportunities, and I've made it so much further than I even thought I'd ever make it. And it's just something about being on 2 wheels, man. It feels so much more free than me being stuck in a little 2000 Ford Focus beater. But technically, you're not like terminated right off the rip. I'm under investigation. Ooh. They can investigate these nuts for all I care. Usually when someone's under investigation though, they don't actually take their badges. They took my badge, so I'm definitely out of there. Don't do stupid stuff and I ain't gonna call you out for doing stupid stuff. I mean, it's common sense, you know what I mean? Hashtag get fired to go ride your bike on the only sunny day of the week. Low-key lit. I am low-key turned up because of this right now, brother. Y'all hear this bike though? The only thing that pees me off is I was going to ride home with my boys. My boys rode to work today. After this one, it's back to like just funny, going out riding, having fun. Maybe some pure sound videos if you're interested. I don't know. I just have a feeling when we're beside EMS people and stuff, I just know they looking at us like, look at these idiots out there on a bike. Bro's cranking his hog and risking his life. Yeah, how would you leave me alone, baby? Just enjoy your life, squids. I love y'all. As always, ride safe, be fast, be fun, be awesome. Don't be taken advantage of. Ever. Ever. I'll die on that hill. And we'll end it off with a brother. Oh, frick. He did it. He didn't do it.